On October 1st and 2nd, a series of activities took place to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Vietnam Entrepreneurs Day and the 20th anniversary of the Hung Yen Province Business Association. One of the activities that attracted significant attention and interest was the Business Networking Day. This meaningful event garnered much attention from businesses, as it provided an opportunity for companies to connect with partners and expand their business and production. At the Business Networking Day event, our company, Haplast, had the great honor of participating and introducing a booth dedicated to showcasing our range of environmentally friendly biodegradable bags. These products, designed with sustainability in mind, garnered much interest from attendees as they align with the growing global trend of reducing plastic waste and promoting green alternatives. By participating in this event, Haplast was able to present our innovative solutions to a wide array of potential partners and clients, raising awareness about our commitment to eco-friendly manufacturing.